All right, with this video, we're going to start to add exterior finishes to the model, okay, starting with the roof. Okay, so let me just share this with you. Okay, by this time you should have watched the instructional video so that you could become familiar with various roofing materials, okay? So as we go to using the paint bucket tool, so as we go to our options here, we're going to choose roofing, okay? And then as we kind of like toggle through, we see that we could use a metal roof, okay? We can use a scallop roof, okay? Scallop roof, okay? Just asphalt shingles, okay? Roofing shingles, okay? Roofing shingles, okay? Wood shingles, roof shingles, slate, okay? And Spanish tile or clay tile. So I'm just going to experiment with a few things here. I'm going to choose this roofing material right here. But first, before I do that, I need to select my roof. Since I made it a group, I need to get inside the group. Okay, good. There we go. So now I'm inside the group. So now I can play around here. Let's choose this material here. Okay, and I'm just painting the roof surfaces, right? Good. 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 Okay. Kind of like that. And notice I'm just painting the roof surfaces. Do not paint these areas here. This is your fascia board. Typically, this is a color. I may leave mine white, okay? But don't paint the fascia board. The roofing material just goes on the roof proper, okay? Good. Okay, so have that. I like that. Let's try another one. Let's try this valuable one. Let's choose this one. Okay. It gives you, this is more of an architectural shingle. It gives you some variations, okay? So you can see the difference between how three-dimensional this roofing looks as opposed to this one, okay? All right, but I like the color of that one. So, but I'm just going to just experiment. Okay, just cool. Okay, cool. What else can I experiment with? I can experiment with a wood shingle. Let's see how that looks. Wood shingle. Looks okay. Okay, I'm going to experiment with, I know I'm not going to use Spanish tile. Let's see what a rate, slate roof looks like. Let's choose this material. Slate is actually a stone, okay? It's a very heavy roofing material. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm just going to experiment with Spanish tile. I know I never use it because this design doesn't dictate that, but just to see how it would look. Okay. Spanish tile, clay tile. Okay. Okay, so that's how that would look. And then lastly, I'm going to experiment with the metal roofing. That may be an option. So I have two choices here because I kind of like the metal roofing, and then I like that one, and then I like the one that I did previously, this one. A more of a traditional look, okay? All right, so decisions, okay. I'm going to stick with this one. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so my roofing is painted. Okay. So let's close out of the group. All right. So now I want to paint the walls, but before I do that, I need to look at that existing wall section. Okay, so let's see if I can go here. I'll just stop sharing here for a second. And I'm gonna go here. Okay. And this wall section is actually located in weeks 15 through 11 through 15, that is. Okay. And let me just minimize this a little bit so we can. Okay. Cool. All right. So when I look at this section here, okay, it's the vertical section. All right, I see I have my roof structure, my existing exterior walls, okay, my floor system, and then my foundation system being supported by a concrete footing. Okay, so my foundation is masonry. This is masonry. This is the way you would show masonry in section. Okay, and of course, all of the other superstructure components are wood. Okay, but this is of note. Here's my floor. Here's my floor elevation, okay? Now my exterior wall system, right, finishes, it's gonna come down, right? And it's gonna overlap that foundation wall, okay, by inch or so, okay? So here's my exterior wall finish. It's coming down, covering up this roof framing here, and overlapping the top of the foundation wall by inch or so. So I'm going to go back to my model now and give this line and give this termination here a definite line. And if I'm using siding, this is where my siding is going to be. So I'm just going to make this dimension even. I'm going to make from the floor to top of the floor to the bottom of my siding. Okay, if I'm using siding, I'm going to make it 11 inches. Okay, 11 inches. So I'll just stop sharing this and I'll go back to here and I'll share my model with you. Okay, and there's a video that you should watch prior to applying the wall finishes. It's exterior finishes, okay? Exterior finishes. And I'll show you where that is momentarily, okay? So this line here, this is my floor line, and what I said I was going to do. Let me edit my wall. Get inside my wall group for editing. Okay, edit group, good. So now I'm inside the wall group. So I'm just going to use my line tool here, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to go 11 inches. Okay. Axis, we'll try that again. 11 inches. See what's going on with that. Let's escape out of this. Try that again. Line tool. Oh, I have a line there. Okay. Let me erase that so something happened there. Good. Starting here with the porch. Okay, on axis. 11 inches. Good. All right. So this is going to be the bottom of my siding material. Yeah. Okay. See how I want to do this. I think okay, oh yeah, this is what I have to do. Let's bring this line over here. See, where's it going to stop? here. Okay. And I think I need a line. Well, we'll see how that works. Okay. See how that works. Okay. So I'm going to come around here. Same thing. Come over here. 11 inches. It just doesn't like to do it the first time. Okay, there's my line. Okay. Okay. So the bottom of my siding. Good. Come around here. Okay. See how this is going to work. All right, so that's the bottom of my siding material, if I'm using siding, okay? So let's see if we can do some painting now. Let's go back to here. Okay, let's go to brick cladding and siding. Good. Okay, brick. So let's see what my siding options are. Beadboard, okay, that's brick. I'm not using brick. Okay, that's brick. That's brick. Brick. Okay, that's siding tan, siding whites, stucco. I can use stucco. Okay. Again, you need to watch that video relative to exterior wall finishes. Okay. Okay. That's weather siding. Weather. This is vertical concrete block. Okay. All right. Modern siding. Okay. What is that? Concrete block there. Let's go down some more. Okay. Siding. Stone. Okay. Stone. Okay. Stone here and stone there. Okay, so my choices are kind of limited. So I'm going to choose this siding right here, tan. Okay, let's choose this siding. Let's see if I can paint these surfaces here. Good. Good. Okay. Okay, I know what happened there, so I'll just control Z out of that. I'll go back and I'll fix that. See if I can paint this. I can paint this. See if I can paint this. I can paint that. We have the same problem. No, okay, let's. Okay, I can paint both of those. Okay, I can paint that. Okay, and I should be able to paint the front. Let's see. Good. All right. Okay, so now let me. Let's go back here and see if I can solve this problem. I think what I need to do here, okay, I need to add a line and follow the configuration of the stairs. Okay, here. Okay, 6 inches. That may be a little off there. Okay. Oh yeah, no, it's not 6 inches. It's not 6 inches. So let me control Z out of that. Okay, so line tool. Okay, now I should have a surface. So now if I go back to the paint, there we go. That's what I needed right there. Okay. Okay. All right, so now this would be the bottom of my siding, and all of this white would be my foundation wall, okay? Now, if you were to use stone, I'm just going to give you an example. If you were to use stone, okay? Okay. Then what would happen, it would be the stone would actually extend down below grade, because this is your grade. This is your grade right here. This is your grade. Okay. So for example, I'll just do this wall right here, for example. Okay, let's see if we can nope, it's not what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's close out of this. Okay. Okay. I don't want to delete the surface. Nope, I don't want to do that. Okay. Okay. I'll just do this. Okay. I'm going to draw a line from here all the way down to there. Okay. Cool. And then I want to erase just this line right here. Good. You see what happened there? Okay. So now that extended the siding all the way down, but that would never happen with siding. Okay. So now if I was to use stone though, if I was to use stone, okay. Let's go back here. Okay, and let's go to stone. No, let's go back to cladding. Okay, let's come all the way down. Okay, good. If I was to use stone, let's see what stone. Let's just try this one. So now, if I was to change it just to stone, see, I don't really like that, but that stone would go all the way down, right, and actually go beneath grade. Okay, that's sort of an ugly stone there. That's a little better. I like that. Okay, if I was to use stone, now I probably wouldn't make the entire, but that's your choice. Okay, that's your choice. But anyway, if you decide to use stone, okay, the stone must extend down to grade. You would have to eliminate this line here. So let's Control Z out of this, what I just did before. Great. Okay, so now I'm going to leave that line there too. Okay, so now I have to deal with my foundation, because what I'm seeing here now is my foundation. And as we looked at the wall section, the foundation is this concrete block, but it doesn't have to be, concrete block. We could clad it with something else. Okay. For example, if I want to make my concrete, my foundation wall stone, okay, I could make a stone like that. Okay. Okay. Let's Control Z out of that. Let's say I wanted to give it just a let me see, what does that say right here? A stucco, and I think there was another option somewhere here. Yeah. Stone masonry multi. Let's see how that looks. Okay. All right, cool. Control Z out of that. I think what I just want to use is stucco. Concrete block layers. Let's see what that looks like. Not really. Concrete block. Okay. When you look at it up close, that's not bad. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. but you can use whatever you want for your foundation within reason, right? Within reason. Okay. Let me Control Z out of the last thing I did, because what I want to do here, I want to make a separation here for right now. Okay. And let's go back and just paint that again. Okay, now a couple of things. Well, let's just deal with the walls right now. Okay. So again, let's get out of this. See how that's looking. It's looking okay. I don't know if I want to keep my fascia board and my fascia board here. This is my fascia board. I don't know if I want to keep it white. Okay. So let's see what my options would be. See, do I like that roof system? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay. See, let me choose this here. Okay. I'll deal with that later. Okay, cool. I'm just giving you the basics. Okay, all right. So now, I think what I want to do, okay, I need to paint this gable in here. And I think I want to make it the same siding, okay? So let's go here and let's activate this roof group and get inside of it. Okay, let's go back to my paint tool. Okay, it's just still there, so I can just go ahead here. And I should be able just to paint this. Good. And paint this gable in. Good. And paint this gable in. Good. All right. Okay, the white siding looks, the white fascia looks pretty good. Okay. I don't know, I'm gonna keep it though. So just let me experiment with it a little bit. Let's go here. Let's go to colors. And I just want to see what this color will look like. Just the same color that I use for the walls. Okay. This little flat portion here that's separating the gable in from the wall here, that's called a frieze. So I think I do want to keep that the same color as my fascia board. Okay, so let's get that. Okay, let's see what happens if I go a little darker than that. I don't know what color that is, whatever. Okay, so if I go here and I paint this. Oh no. Okay. Nope. I'm just gonna go dark and see how that looks. I kind of like that. course, you can experiment with this, okay? You can experiment with it, okay? So, while I'm at it, and let's see what it would look like if I got out of this and go back to my wall group, and I get inside for editing, and then I paint these columns the same color. They're gonna, oops, paint these columns the same color. See what it looks like. Again, the color choices are going to be yours. Make sure you paint all sides. Sort of a reddish color, isn't it? Let's see. Let's see what happens if I go here. That's even worse. Okay, I don't want to do that. Well, I'm going to do it this right now. Okay? Let's see how it looks when I get out of this. I don't know if I like that reddish color or not. No, I don't think I like the reddish color, but that's horrible. Oh, I think I like that one better. I think I do. Oops. I need to be inside the group, don't I? I'm going to pause for a second. Okay, I've gone full circle here, and I've come back to this lighter color here for my fascia board. Fascia here, fascia here. However, I think I want to edit this color. So let's go. Go here. Okay, here's my color. I want to go to the edit here. If it would let me. Okay. Oh, I don't know why. let's go select. Good. Now let's go here. Okay, all right. So let's go to edit. Oh, I'm already there. Gracious, good gracious. Okay. Select, then edit. I'm there. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to take this and I want to, yeah, move it down. I'm gonna make it darker. Let's see, if I go all the way down like that, okay. Right, let's see where I want to be. I like, not that dark. Give a close-up look at that. Yeah, I think I like that color right there. I think I do. All right. Oh. All right. So now what I want to do, let's see if I can do it from here. I use the eyedropper. Okay. Let's get inside the wall group again. Whoops. Okay. Let's get inside the wall group. And then let's do some painting. See if we can get these columns to match. There we go. Okay. Might as well get this side here. Is it done already? It was buffering. Yep, that was done already. So we're here. Okay, here. Let's come around, make sure you get all the sides. So let's get the back side here. Back side down, I believe I got it. Let's do the zoom extents. Come around this side. Move this out of my way. Do the zoom extents again. Okay, let me get out of the scope here. Okay. Yep, I like it pretty good. All right, so let's save my drawing. All right, so put a concrete block in there. I said I gotta paint this. I see something I missed there. Put that door. Okay, I gotta do that. So let's activate this. Okay. Let's get inside the group. Let's see what's going on. Good. All right, so now I can use the eyedropper. I think I can. Well, let's get out of this. Select. Let's go back to materials. Siding and cladding. Let's just choose it again. Okay, cool. So, because I see I missed this little, this is still white. I want to paint this. Good. And I want to come right here and I want to paint this as well. Okay. Same issue around here. Nope. All right, let's see. Let's get out of this. Okay. All right, and let's let's save the drawing again. And the next video, we will deal with the stairs, okay, and the deck, okay, to give it more definition, that is, okay.